omwami alina ebibuuzo byagenda okuba nga akubuuza era nkusabye obeere ng'ebibuuzo ebyo biddamu nga bibuuza.
Juma, the hours of 10 a.m. to 12 noon on the 2nd April 2026. Where were you? The hours.
You just try to be direct so that you don't confuse the witness.
Okay. Where did you spend your day of the 2nd April 2026?
All day.
My lord, that's why I had specified the time.
You were unclear, and when a question is not clear to the court, I don't think it will be clear to the witness. So make it clearer. You're either interested at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. That would be easier for him to answer.
Okay. At 11 a.m. on 2nd April 2026, where were you?
Kunaku z'omwezi nga 2 ogw'okuna omwaka gwa 2026 ku makya ssaawa 5 waliriddawa.
I was at my place.
Nali ewaka ewange.
Where?
Ewa.
Namasuba Ndeje.
Namasuba Ndeje.
Criminal Session Case Number 132 of 2026, Uganda versus Christopher Okello Onyum.
And he was unable to proceed with the proceedings of the day, that is of yesterday. I directed the Deputy Registrar of the court to write to the OC Luzira Upper Prison to furnish this court with a health status of the accused person. A report authored by Dr. Kajoba Charles K. of Maction Bay Hospital, dated 16th April 2026, has been furnished to the court, and I will admit it on the court record. The summary of this case, of this report, is that the accused was admitted at Luzira Upper Prison, and he informed them that he had a history of being a sickle cell patient since his childhood, but he had no supporting documents. Upon that information, a laboratory test was carried out on the accused person, and sickle cell disease was confirmed. They also established that he had not been taking his sickle cell medication for 2 months prior to his admission. They put him on sickle cell medication, and they also, at examination, they also established that he was also underweight. The report says that he has greatly improved on treatment and he is in a stable state of health and mind. Mr. Okello, good afternoon. You heard what I was saying. I was reading a report from the doctor who is taking care of you, and he has informed us that you are on medication and you have improved on that medication, sickle cell medication, and you are in a stable state of health and mind. So I want you to confirm that, and we proceed with the proceedings of the day.
Yes, my lord. I'll confirm that I'm in a stable state of mind and body. Yeah. Omulamuzi agambye nti nno eggulo omusibe yategeezezza kkooti eno nti yabadde tawulira bulungi ng'era tasobola kweyongerayo na musango olunaku olw'eggulo, era kkooti eno n'eragira omuwandiisi wa kkooti eno okuwandiikira OC akulira Upper Prison era okubeera nga bakebera omwami oyo embeera ye gy'alimu, ng'era omusawo w'ekkomera eyo wa Maction Bay ayitibwa Charles Kajoba ne bamukebera ne bagamba nti bwe bamutwalirayo mu kkomera e Luzira, omusibe oyo yabategeeza nti yali mulwadde owa sikosero nga naye yali tali ku ddagala, era ne bakakasa nti yali mulwadde obulwadde obwo nti yali amaze ebbanga lya myezi 2 nga tali ku ddagala. Ne batandika okubeera nga bamuteeka ku ddagala era ng'abadde atandise okubeera ng'atereramu. Omulamuzi n'ayongera n'amubuuza nti oba ne leero ali mu mbeera nnungi, era n'ategeeza kkooti eno nti ali mu mbeera nnungi okweyongerayo n'omusango.
PW8 and media, please, we issued a directive yesterday that we don't take the images of this witness. Let's have him on the stand. Mr. Juma, you're reminded that you're still on oath. Yesterday you swore to speak the truth, so you are still on that oath.
Yesterday we ended at a point when I had given you the document and I was asking you to confirm to court whether the extraction of on page 37 to 40 is a true reflection of your conversation with the accused person.
Ejjo twakomye ng'omwami wa gavumenti alina ekiwandiiko kyakuwadde n'agamba otunulemu okutandikira ku peegi eya 37 paka ku peegi ey'okuna nti oba ebyo ebiriko ne peegi eya 4 oba byo byennyini bye wayogerezeganya n'omusibe.
Byabadde byebyo.
Yes, it's true. Yeah, those ones.
So I want you to take court through how the conversation began and ended.
Kooti giyitiremu engeri gye mwatandikamu okubeera nga mwogera paka yo gye mwakomera.
From the extraction, when did the conversation begin and how did it begin?
On 12th March 2026, Okello sent a message via our WhatsApp number.
Okay, so what message did he send?
The first message was, "Hello, would like to visit and rent a car, please."
Message eyasooka yali ennaku z'omwezi nga 12 ogwokusatu omwaka gwa 2026. Okello yaweereza message ku namba yaffe ya WhatsApp. Ddamu ebyo bwe wayogedde.
It was reading, "Hello, would like to visit and rent a car, please."
Ngamba rero nti njagala okubakyalira mbeere nga mpangisa emmotoka.
Then we have our automatic message. It replied to him, "Thank you for contacting Trip Current Uganda."
Yabalawo message yaffe yamuddamu emugamba weebala okubeera nga otubuuzaako aba Trip Current.
Repeat that.
Repeat the message slowly.
Thank you for contacting Trip Car Rental Uganda.
Kubera kubeera ng'otubuuzaako ffe aba Trip Car Rental Uganda.
And you say, you say that is an automated message.
It's automatic message, yeah. Automatic reply.
Next.
He thanked with a message, thanks.
Era nga ne tumwebaza.
Since his number was reply, since his number,
Mr. Tyson?
Taiwe.
Tyrone. He's the one who thanked. Okello is the one who said thanks, not them.
Okello n'abaddamu n'abagamba nti mwebale.
then I replied to him, hello Christopher.
Ne muddamu nga mugamba nti hello Christopher.
Since his number displays his names.
Olw'ensonga nti ennamba ye yali eredde eraga erinnya lye oba amannya ge.
He replied, hey there.
N'addamu n'agamba hey there.
I replied, fine.
Mr. Juma, we are recording
Okay.
what you're saying, so you go slowly.
Can you just repeat what you said last?
Ddamu ebyo by'oyogedde.
Hello Christopher.
And then he replies,
Hey there.
Ngamba hello Christopher, ye n'addamu nti hey there.
yes.
I replied, fine.
Ne muddamu bulungi.
Yes.
He replied, so how do I go about this, dear?
N'addamu ye n'agamba nti nsobola ntya okubeera nga nkola kino emu.
Yes.
I replied, car rental services.
Ne muddamu ne mugamba car rental services.
He replied, yes, yes. How? What do you need in a car rental? UGA office like yours.
Beg your pardon?
Repeat that.
He replied, yes, yes. How? What do you need in a car rental? UGA office like yours.
Addamu n'agamba nti yeye kikyobeera weetaaga mu kampani yammwe eya car rental.
I am not getting that well. He replied, yes, yes. What do you need in?
What do you,
Come again.
you read it properly, please.
When I asked him, car rental services, Okello replied, yes, yes. How? What do you need?
How with a question mark?
Yes.
Then,
What do you need in a car rental UGA office like yours?
Addamu n'agamba nti yeye kikyobeera weetaaga okubeera nga opangisa emmotoka mu car rental.
The word before office is what?
UGA
He was meaning
for Uganda.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Then I replied to him, when do you want to rent the car?
Ne muddamu ne mubuuza ddi lw'oyagala okubeera ng'opangisa emmotoka
And for how long?
era bbanga lyenkanawa.
What did he answer?
Kiki yaddamu?
Tomorrow, ready. Tomorrow for 3 days.
N'agamba enkya ajja kuba mwetegefu nga gyetaaga ennaku 3.
Repeat.
He replied, saying, tomorrow, ready tomorrow for 3 days.
Agamba enkya kuba ajja kuba mwetegefu nga gyetaaga ennaku 3.
Yes.
I asked him around Kampala or around Kampala, outside Kampala.
Nenziramu ne mubuuza ne mugamba yitaga mu Kampala oba nga obweru wa Kampala.
Did he answer you?
Yakuddamu
He answered, inside Kampala only.
n'agamba munda mu Kampala mukka.
And you?
Ate ggwe?
I went further and asked him, self-drive?
Nenziramu ne nyongera ne mubuuza ne mugamba oyagala ggwe kennyini ogyevugira.
Did he answer you?
Yakuddamu
Yes, he said, yes, self-drive suits me.
n'agamba nti ye nze njagala okuba nga njyevugira. Ki ekyaddirira?
I replied, we just need copies of your driving license and passport.
Nenziramu ne mugamba twetaagako kopi eza driving license yo ne passport yo.
Only as requirements.
Ng'ebyo byokka bye tubeera twetaaga.
All. We just need copies of your driving license and passports. Can I go ahead? I replied him, we just need copies of your driving license and passport only as requirements.
Namuddamu ne mugamba twetaaga kopi zokka eza driving license yo ne passport byokka ng'ebyo byokka ebibeera bitwetaaga.
Did he reply?
Yakuddamu
Yes, he did, saying credit card bond as a question.
What did he say?
Credit card bond. I don't have much money for that on credit card.
nagamba yali talina ssente zonna ku kadi ye ya credit.
What followed?
Ki ekyaddirira?
Then I sent him the options of cars.
Ne muweereza
What do you mean by options? What exactly did you send?
Photos.
ne muweereza ebifaananyi eby'emmotoka ez'enjawulo.
Did any communication ensue after you sent him the different photographs of the vehicles?
Yes, he asked and said, where is your office located?
Yayagala n'abuuza nti ofiisi zammwe zisangibwa wa?
Can you read it as a whole? Can you read it in the way it's complete?
Osobola okusoma message eyo yonna awamu.
That's what he sent.
Read it again.
Ddamu ogisome.
Where is your office located? Dear.
Ofiisi zammwe zisangibwa wa ddiya?
Yeah.
Yes. What follows?
Ki ekyaddirira?
Then I replied to his previous message, we prefer cash.
Ne muddamu message ye gyali amaze okuba nga weeza ne mugamba tusinga kwagala ssente eza cash oba eza buliwo.
Then him.
Ate ye
Okay. Offering starts at what price?
agamba nti ssente batandikira ku ssente mmeka omuwendo ogwo.
Repeat that, please.
Okay. Offering starts at what price?
Can you read the words as they are, please? Be careful. Don't. Read the word as it is in the text.
Soma ekigambo nga bwe kiri.
Yes,
Message.
please.
Okay, offering starts at what price?
Starts
Okay, offering start at what price?
Nti okay, okutandika okupangisa mwaka mutandikira ku ssente mmeka?
and you?
Ate
Which
gwe
one would you like?
nenziramu ne mubuuza gwe oyagala ki? Oyagala eriwa?
And him?
Ate ye
Lowest price, please.
nagamba ye ayagala ey'omuwendo ogwa wansi.
Next.
I replied him $45.
Nemuddamu ne mugamba $45.
Then I tagged the photo
Dollars with a sign or with
a
words?
sign. With a sign.
Then
And
you,
what followed?
then you tagged with which photo?
The RAV4.
Era ne nteekako n'ekika ky'emmotoka eya RAV4 ekifaananyi.
Is that the RAV4 whose number you gave to court yesterday?
Yes.
Nti yeyo RAV4 enamba gye yawandiise eggulo mu kkooti gye yawaddeyo.
What followed?
Ki ekyaddirira?
RAV4. He replied, RAV4, but a newer would be nice.
Nagamba RAV4 naye Noah yandibadde esingako.
And you?
Ate gwe
I replied to him, Noah, with $80
emuddamu ne mugamba yo
with a
Noah
sign.
esobola okubeera ya $80.
Did he respond?
Yakuddamu.
Oh, RAV4, then where is you located?
Naddamu nagamba ye kaali RAV4 kati osangibwa wa?
Repeat that, please.
Repeat.
Which one exactly?
Oh, RAV4.
Oh, RAV4, then
Tinagamba RAV4 kale
Yes.
where is you located?
osangibwa wa?
And you?
Freedom City, Entebbe Road.
Ne mugamba ku Freedom City ku luguudo lw'Entebbe Road.
But we can also deliver the car to your location.
Naye era tusobola n'okukutuusaako emmotoka w'oba oli.
Did he reply?
Yakuddamu.
Will come, will come, will visit you.
Read. If it's a full stop, read and indicating as if it's a full stop.
Will come, will visit you.
Agamba nti nja kujja bakyalire.
Thanks for your time and we'll try to be early.
Weebale olw'akaseera ako era njagezaako okwanguwa oba okeera.
That is him still.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Come again?
Read it again.
Ddamu obisome.
Thanks for your time.
And we'll try to be early.
Did you respond?
Waddamu.
When and what time?
Ddi era ssaawa mmeka?
Did he answer you?
Yakuddamu.
I would like late morning, but not sure could stretch a little past 12 p.m.
Nagamba nandyagadde ku makya naye nsobola okwongeza paka nga
Read it
ssaawa
again.
mukaaga ez'emisana.
I would like I would like late morning, but not sure could stretch little past 12 p.m.
nti nandyagadde ku makya naye nsobola n'okunikirizaako ng'essaawa zimaze okuyitako ku ssaawa 6 ez'emisana.
What followed?
Ekyaddirira
Today,
ngamba nti leero.
Who was asking him with today?
me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did he respond?
Yaddamu
No.
n'agamba nedda.
Sorry. No worry, I thought we were talking about tomorrow.
Nga teweerabika mbadde mmanyi nti oba twogera ku lunaku olw'enkya.
Read that, please.
I read again.
Yes.
No worry, I thought we were talking about tomorrow.
Teweeraliikira mbadde mmanyi twogera ku lunaku olw'enkya.
If he's continuing, please continue.
It was a question mark.
Read it again.
No worry, I thought we were talking about tomorrow.
Teweeraliikira naye obwedda mmanyi twogera ku lunaku olw'enkya.
That's what I mean.
Ng'era kyekyo kye ntegeeza.
Will be fast, but not easy to say.
Sorry?
That's what I mean. Will be fast, but not easy to say.
Ekyo kye ntegeeza ekijja okuba ekyangu naye si kyangu kya kwogera.
Does range work for you?
Does?
Range work for you?
Nti range yekkolera.
And you?
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yamugamba kale nja kulaba enkya.
What followed?
Kyekaddirira.
Then he called me on Friday, on 13th March 2026.
N'akubira ku lunaku olwokutaano ezaali ennaku z'omwezi nga 13 ogwokusatu mwaka gwa 2026.
What time?
Ssaawa mmeka?
It was around 10.
No, it's not around. What time is reflected?
Zaali ssaawa mmeka? Ezo zennyini.
22 past 10 a.m. 22 past 10.
Kwali kuyiseeko eddakiika 22 ku ssaawa 4 ez'okumakya.
I'm sorry, my lord. I need to.
It's okay, you can correct anything you need to correct.
Yes.
On 13th March 2026, he called using his MTN number.
Ku nnaku z'omwezi nga 13 ogwokusatu mwaka gwa 2026
At 10:22 a.m.
yakuba ng'akozesa enamba eya MTN.
Yeah, his MTN number.
Yes.
Telling me, it's not written here, but telling me he was already at Freedom City.
N'agamba nti
You told us that
Yeah,
yesterday.
that is already good.
So I can-
for
I can go
now, we
straight
are
here.
only covering
Okay.
this. Yes.
The conversations
Okay,
on,
so-
on WhatsApp, the WhatsApp chats.
On Friday 13th, it's me who called him when I'd reached the restaurant, the location.
You said he called you.
No, he didn't. He called using a phone. I'm sorry. That's
Yes, he
why.
called you using his MTN number. That's what you said.
Yes, but again, when I reached the place, I called him using my WhatsApp.
So you also called him on 13th.
Yes, using my WhatsApp.
Okay.
The WhatsApp. Yes.
kinange era nakumamukubira nga ntuseewo nga nkozesa WhatsApp namba yange.
Yes. After that call.
He didn't pick the call.
Teyakwata ssimu eyo.
Then I wrote to him, I'm at Punas with a car.
Ne muwandikira ne mugamba ndi ku Punasi n'emmotoka.
What's the spelling upon us?
It is PUNUS.
Did he reply that message?
Yaddamu
On
message ye.
Friday?
Mr. Muwaganya, please hold on a little bit.
Okay.
He did not pick and you sent him a message. What did you say in your message?
I'm at Punas with a car.
And you can repeat the spelling of that
Spelling,
one.
yeah.
P-U-N-U-S.
Okay.
So did he reply that message on Friday?
Message eyo yagiddamu ku lunaku
That
olwokutaano.
Friday?
No,
That-
he
that-
didn't.
Teyagiddamu.
So what followed
Ki ekyaddirira?
from the conversation?
He came back on 14th March 2026.
Yanziira ng'ennaku z'omwezi nga 14
What did he
ogwokusatu
say?
nga
On
2026.
the 14th?
Hi, I called and waited, but I needed to go early.
Amugamba nti hai nakuba naye nabadde neetaaga okuba nga ngenda mangu.
Can we do the deal again?
Tusobola
Hi, I called and
Hi, I called and waited, but I needed to go early.
nti nakuba era nenninda nina ekyali kineetaagisa okgenda amangu.
Yes.
Can we do the deal again, delivery?
Tusobola okukola ddiiru neera beere nga muntuusaako emmotoka eyo.
Did you reply to his message?
Message eyo wagiddamu.
Yes, we can, no problem. Where can the car be delivered?
Mugambe ye tewali buzibu, emmotoka obadde oyagala tugikutuusizeewa.
Did he reply?
Yakuddamu.
Yeah, he replied, where is your office?
N'addamu n'abuuza ofiisi zammwe ziriwa.
And you?
Ate ggwe
Entebbe, but we always tell clients Entebbe, but location.
weebale kubeera mugumiikiriza n'okusazaamu kwange okwemabegako.
And you?
Gwe n'omugamba ki?
I replied to him, hello, thank you for getting back to us.
Ne mugamba hello weebale kubeera ng'otuddira.
What followed?
He replied, hello dear, nice. He replied, hello dear, yes, nice doing business with you.
Agamba hello dear, nti kirungi okukola business naawe.
And you?
Ate ggwe
I replied him, for how long do you need the car?
muddamu ne mubuuza nti emmotoka obadde ogyetaagira ebbanga lyenkanawa.
Did he answer?
Yakuddamu.
I would like 2 days, please.
N'addamu n'agamba nti nandyagadde ennaku 2.
And you?
Ate
When do
ggwe
you need it?
ne mubuuza nti ogyetaaga ddi.
Did he answer you?
Yakuddamu.
8 a.m. tomorrow morning, maybe 10. Sorry, I beg your pardon. 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, maybe 10 if you deliver to me in Kampala. This is most ideal for me.
Agamba enkya ku makya ssaawa 2
you're going to read it slowly,
Okay.
to allow us to write.
8 a.m. tomorrow morning, maybe 10 if you deliver to me in Kampala. This is most ideal for me.
N'agamba nti enkya ku makya ssaawa 2 naye oba ku ssaawa 4 bwe munaaba musobola okubeera ng'emmotoka eyo mugintuusaako kuba kye mbadde nsinga okwetaaga.
And you?
Ate ggwe
We can deliver it this evening to you, to your location.
You have left a message. You've left a message before that. Do you see it?
Where exactly?
What did you ask him?
Kiki wamubuuza?
Where exactly?
Namubuuza wa wennyini.
Yes.
We can deliver it this evening to your location.
Tusobola ogikutuusaako kawungeezi leero kuba obeera oli.
Did he provide the location?
Yes, he did. He replied,
Kiye?
Chanja Kisas area.
Naddamu n'agamba mu bitundu by'ekyanja Kisaasi.
Anything else?
He went further and said, oh, really? Then yes, please bring.
N'agamba nti ye kale gireete.
Please repeat that.
Oh, really? Then yes, please bring.
What followed?
Kyekyaddirira.
I answered him, and you will give the driver transport back to the office.
Ne muddamu ne mugamba ojja kuwa driver transport amuzzaayo ku ofiisi.
He replied, yes,
N'agamba kaale
that's absolutely fine.
nti era ekyo kiri oke kiri bulungi.
How much should I provide?
Agamba sente mmeka ze nsobola okubeera nga mpaayo.
How much should I provide? Did you reply?
Yes,
What did you reply?
30K. We start counting from tomorrow.
Mugamba emitwalo 3 tutandika okubala olunaku olw'enkya.
How about him?
Ate
It's okay, I'll pay this transport fees also.
tewali buzibu noono transport naye nja kumusasula.
From tomorrow, what time?
Enkya naye ssaawa mmeka?
Okay. He replied, it's okay, I will pay.
It's okay, I will pay this transport fees also. From tomorrow, what time?
And you?
Are you going to be around Kampala or outside Kampala?
Ne mbuuza nti ogenda kubeera mu bitundu by'e Kampala oba okufuluma Kampala?
What did he answer you?
Kiki yakuddamu?
This deal can work nicely for me. How would you like us to?
Boss, you be careful with your eyes. After you ask him, are you going to be around Kampala or outside Kampala?
Oh, he said Kampala only.
N'agamba Kampala mwokka.
And you?
Okay.
And him?
This deal can work nicely for me. How would you like us to proceed?
N'amugamba ddiiru eno esobola okunkolera nze naye obadde oyagala tweyongereyo tutya?
This deal?
This deal can work nicely for me. How would you like us to proceed?
What followed?
Kyekyaddirira.
I replied to him, the driver is coming.
Ne muddamu ne mugamba driver ajja.
Did he answer you?
Yakuddamu?
Yes, he said, great.
N'agamba kirungi.
What followed?
Kyekyaddirira.
I replied, send me the pin.
Mugamba mpeereza pin.
And him?
But we continue communicating on my Ugandan number.
naye twongere nga twogerezeganya ku namba yange eya Uganda.
.m.
Let me hear from send me the pin. What followed?
But we can continue communicating on my Ugandan
Well,
number.
who is now saying so?
Gani ayogera
Okello.
ebigambo ebyo? Okello yabyogera.
So he says what?
But we can continue communicating on my Ugandan number.
naye tusobola okwongera okwogezeganya ku namba yange eya Uganda.
Yes?
Then he asked me, pin? What pin do you mean, dear?
Then nambuuza pin ki eyo gy'otegeeza?
And you?
Ate gwe
I replied to him, Google pin.
ne mugamba pin eya Google.
Is that the only thing you replied him?
I went further and asked him, which Ugandan number?
Ne nyongera ne mubuuza namba ki eya Uganda.
Did he reply you?
Yakuddamu
He replied me to the previous question about the pin, and he said, oh, coming up.
nanzaayo ku message y'emabegako n'angamba nti ejja.
Anything else
Waliwo ekirala
from
kyonna?
him?
Yes, he sent me his Ugandan number.
Nampeereza enamba ye eya Uganda.
Which is?
Namba ki eyo?
+256
Yes?
769
Yes?
58 26 20.
ng'enamba eyo eri plus 25 67 69 58 26 n'esembyayo 2.
What followed?
Ekyaddirira
I went ahead and asked him to share me his Google pin.
ne nyongera ne musaba okubeera nga mpeereza pini ye eya Google.
Yeah, but
Read
Did
it.
you send the message? Read it the way it is.
Read the message as it is.
yeah, but share me your Google pin for directions.
Ne mugamba ye naye mpeereza Google pini yo okusobola okufuna endagiriro.
What followed?
Ki ekyaddirira?
He sent me the Google pin.
Namala nampeereza pini eya Google.
Okay, it's
Who is saying okay after the pin?
after the pin. He sent me a message saying, "Okay, it's here.
Nangamba kale yiino
Namugera close."
eraga namugera close.
Let me read it from here. He sent me a message saying, "Okay, it's here. Namugera close. I will easily find you on this short road."
Nangamba kale yiino eya namugera close nja kusobola okuba nga nkusinkana ku kano akakubo.
I will easily find you on.
I will easily find you on this short road.
Continue.
But it's the first gate on the left side.
Naye ye geeti esooka ku mukono ogwa kkono.
I have told the custodian to wait for you.
Era mbulidde omuntu akumawo awo abeere ng'akulinda.
And you?
I replied, "Okay."
Ne muddamu ne mugamba kale.
And him?
Ate ye
"Still on the way, dear. Hope I didn't miss it."
mugamba oludde oli mu kkubo kansubire saagimisinze oba saagisubiddwa.
So what time was he informing you that?
He replied, still on the way. Still on the way.
Come again.
You
read it
read
again.
it from Still on the Way.
Still on the way? No, still on the way, dear. Hope I didn't miss it.
Ddamu naweza mesi ng'abuuza nti olidde oli mu kkubo dia kansuubire saagisubiddwa.
What time was he asking you that?
Zaali ssaawa mmeka we yali akubuuza ekibuuzo ekyo?
7:27 p.m.
Kwali kuyiseko eddakiika 27 ku ssaawa emu ey'akawungeezi.
Did you reply?
Wamuddamu?
Yes, I replied him with a photo.
Ne muddamu nga mweza ekifaananyi
Traffic jam photo.
ekya jaamu abaakutte emmotoka.
Yes.
And the word traffic.
Did he reply you?
Yakuddamu?
Yes, he sent me a message saying, K, it's cool.
Addamu n'ampeereza message kale kiri bulungi.
The message was?
K, it's cool.
What is after K?
It's cool.
After K, what is there?
Comma.
Okay.
It's cool.
And then you?
Ate ggwe
10 minutes away.
ne mugamba mbulayo eddakiika 10 okutuuka.
And him?
Ate ye?
Okay, I will come to get when you call, because it's raining now.
Nga kale nja kujja ku geeti wonookuba olw'ensonga nti enkuba etonnya kati.
What followed?
Ekyaddirira.
I'm at the gate.
When? Oh, I'm at... Okay. I hadn't seen that. Who sent that message?
Ani yaweza message eyo nti ndi ku nze.
I'm at the gate. What time is your message?
Message eyo wagiweza saa mmeka?
8 p.m.
Agiweereza nga kuyiseko eddakiika 13 ku ssaawa 2 ez'ekiro.
What? Any other conversation?
I called him on WhatsApp since he was not responding.
Ne mukubira ku WhatsApp ensonga nti yali taddamu.
Okay.
He replied.
Era yaddamu.
Then on first.
He replied. What do you mean by he replied?
Kiki otegeeza nti yaddamu?
He called back. He didn't answer and he called back.
Teyakwata simu yange naye yaddamu n'ankubira.
Okay, so you have now gone to the 1st of April.
Yeah.
What communication did you have on the 1st of April?
Good morning. He sent me a message. Good morning.
Who sent?
Okello.
Okello yaweereza message nnaku z'omwezi lumu ogwokuna nga mbuuza nti wasisooti.
It was around 39 past 5 a.m.
It was a what? What time?
39 past 5 a.m.
Twali kuyiseko eddakiika 39 ku ssaawa 11 ez'okuma.
Did you reply him?
Wamuddamu?
Did you get the keys?
Mbuuza nti wafunye ebisumuluzo?
He replied yes.
N'agamba nti ye.
That's all.
Ng'era byebyo.
My Lord would love to tender the extract contained in the report as ID, PID. We tender the report which contains the extract as PID.
Who is replying? Who's replying?
My Lord, we have no objection as long as it's tendered in as prayed by the Land Chief State Attorney.
oludda oluwaabi lusabye alipoota eyo ebaddemu engeri omujulizi ono gyeyayogerezeganyaamu n'omusibe okuweebwayo mu kkooti okubeera nga kkooti ekirako bulabi era ne baloya b'omusibe tebakiwakanyiza.
The digital forensic report dated 13th of April 2026, from which the extract said to be a conversation between the witness and the accused, which are found on pages 37 to 40 of the report, is hereby admitted for identification and it is marked PEID 3.
Kkooti ekkiriza alipoota eyo yawandiikibwa ng'ennaku z'omwezi 13 ogwokuna omwaka guno omwali enjogerezeganya ewamu mu kkooti eno n'omusibe esangibwa ku peegi eya 37 paka ku peegi eya 4 ng'era kkooti egimaakinze nga PID ey'okusatu ey'oludda oluwaabi.
Most obliged. My Lord, that's all from him is available for cross.
Yes, Mr. Kumuga, please proceed.
Much obliged, my Lord.
Mr. Juma, that gentleman is going to ask you some questions. Please answer them to the best of your knowledge and ability.
Mwami Juma, omwami alina ebibuuzo byagenda okuba nga akubuuza era nkusabye obeere ng'ebibuuzo ebyo biddamu ng'abikubuuza.
Juma, sir, the hours of 10 a.m. to 12 noon on the 2nd April 2026. Where were you? The hours.
You just try to be direct so that you don't confuse the witness.
Okay. Where did you spend your day of the 2nd April 2026?
Wasibwa ku lunaku.
All day.
My Lord, that's why I had specified the
no,
time.
You were unclear, and when a question is not clear to the court, I don't think it will be clear to the witness. So make it clearer. You're either interested at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. That would be easier for him to answer.
Okay. At 11 a.m. on 2nd April 2026, where were you?
Ku nnaku z'omwezi nga 2 ogwokuna omwaka gwa 2026 ku makya ssaawa 5 wali liddawa?
I was at my place.
Nali ewaka ewange.
Where?
Ewa
Namasuba Ndeje.
e Namasuba Ndeje.
Okay. My Lord, I pray that the Land Chief State Attorney gives him his statements to read.
Asaba mwa gavumenti amwe statement zemu.
Okay. Have you seen page 1?
Peegi esooka ogirabe?
Page. Mr. Juma. Page 1 of your statement. Where you started, there is your name, Juma.
Ewatandikira waliwo erinnya lyo Juma.
Yes.
Okay, leave that paper, go to paper 2. On top, there is your name, Juma. Have you seen on the
Yes.
paper 2?
Yes.
Okay. Count. Line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Line. Don't go to another page.
Bala okutandikira waggulu ng'obala paka
Counsel,
plane
couldn't you have
y'omukaaga.
first established from him whether that is actually his statement?
Much obliged. Have you reached there?
I can't recognize, please.
Mr. Juma, is that your police statement?
Mwami Juma, your statement yo gyawayo ku police
Yes.
nti
Does it have your name and signature?
kuliko amannya go ne wateeka
Yes,
omukono?
yes.
When was it recorded?
Wagiwandiika ddi?
On 4th. No. Is it on 4th? No. Wait.
4th of which month?
No, it was not on 4th. It was April. I need to get the dates because
Go to page 1. Go to page 1. On the sides of your statement.
on 11th April 2026.
Okay.
yawandiikibwa ennaku z'omwezi 11
11th.
ogwokuna omwaka guno.
Okay. Did the police read back to you?
abapoliisi bagikusomera?
I don't recall.
Don't
sijjukira.
Yeah.
But you believe in what you wrote?
Yes.
Okay.
yakkirizamu ebyo bye yawandiika.
Go to page 2, or paper 2. Have you seen paper 2, Mr. Juma?
Yes.
Okay, you count from line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have you seen the word USA?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read that to the next statement after the word USA?
I can't read the handwriting, please. Someone
Can't read. Can I read
handwriting.
it to you as
Yes.
you are looking there?
Yes.
Okay. The said person in our dealings was very sober and coordinated in whatever he did and agreed upon. Have you realized
nti
that's what
omuntu oyo
you...
gwe twadiringa naye yali
Yes.
mu mbeera nnungi?
Yes.
Okay. Now the question comes. Do you have any qualification in mental illness to determine whether the person you were dealing with was sober and coordinated?
olina obukugu gwe obusoboseza okumanya omuntu nti yali mbeera nnungi oba ng'abeera ategeera?
Do you have any medical qualification?
olina obukugu obwo obw'ekisawo?
I don't think anyone can tell.
Answer the question.
Mr. Juma,
Juma.
answer the question whether you have a
No,
medical
I don't.
qualification.
Nedda si bulina.
My Lord, I'm through with this witness.
Okay. Any re-exam?
Yes, my lord, just one question. Mr. Juma, you told the police that the accused was very sober in his dealings with you. What was your basis for
Wali-
that observation?
wali osinziira ku ki ng'okubeera ng'ogamba nti omwami oyo yali mu mbeera nnungi mu ddiiru zammwe ze mwali mukola?
According to his approach,
What do you mean?
the way he consulted us,
okusinziira mu ngeri gye yatutuukiriramu
and mentioning the type of, the services he wanted,
ng'ayogera byambe yali
Let me
yeetaaga.
get that clearly, please.
Let's go. So,
What made you make that observation or come to that conclusion?
come again.
the way he contacted us,
And I was asking you to tell court what you mean by that.
Engeri gye yatutuukiriramu ki ky'obadde otegeeza?
a mad person cannot reach out on the internet and book a service.
omuntu eyagwa eddalu tasobola kubeera nga ayogezegana naffe ku intaneti oba ne mu bitabo.
Could you please repeat that?
Ddamu byogere ebyo.
A mad person cannot look for service on the internet.
omuntu eyagwa eddalu tasobola kunoonya buyambi ku mikutu.
What else?
Ate ekirala,
A mad person cannot transact.
era omuntu omulala tasobola kubeera nga aweereza oba sente.
What do you mean by transacting?
Transferring money from from different platforms.
In this case, what platforms were you considering?
Mobile money,
Tiyali akozesa mobile money.
Other than that, was there any other basis for your said opinion?
a mad person cannot be given a driving license
Era omuntu omulala tasobola kubeera ng'aweebwa ne driving license
and he cannot drive.
era aba tasobola na kuvuga.
That's all.
Ng'era byebyo.
Are you done with him?
Yes, my lord. We
I
pray.
want to ask him a few questions.
Okay, my lord.
Just one.
Omulamuzi alina ekibuuzo kimu kyagenda okubuuza.
Mr. Juma, would you give anyone, any clients who comes for self-drive, would you give them your vehicle without a valid driving license?
Mwami Juma, osobola okuwa client yenna abeera azze ewammwe nga talina driving license ng'ekyaliko?
No, my lord. That's why we check.
Nti nedda y'ensonga lwaki tusooka ne tukebera.
I guess you have no question arising from my one question. You have no question arising from my question. Do you have? From my one question.
No, my lord.
How about you, Mr. Morgan?
No, my lord.
Before we take on the next witness, could we stretch for 10 minutes? Just 10 minutes.
Koti egenda kuwumulamu eddakiika 10 zokka.
Amannya gange nze Kibira Hassan okuva mu Kibira Construction Company Limited. Tutunda amataka, tuzimba amayumba. Tuddaabiriza amayumba, renovation tugikola, tusima amazzi. Ffe aba Kibira Construction Company Limited. Tutunda amataka, ag'ebyapa, ag'endagaano, ku makubo ag'enjawulo okugeza Hoima Road, Bombo Road, Masaka Road, Mityana Road. Ate tukkiriza ne Kibanja Mpola. Osobola tukyalirako ku ofiisi zaffe ezisangibwa Essenge Wakiso. Oba tukubire ku masimu gaffe 0755 36 37 82. Ojje tugende mu maaso n'okwogereza ku bizinesi yonna gy'oba oleese mu ofiisi yaffe nga bwe nzoogeddeko waggulu. Tujja kwataganira wamu kubanga bye tukola tubikola nga biri mu kkubo golokofu. Buli kimu ekigwa mu construction company tukikola. Bw'oba olina ky'oyagala okwebuuza era tukyalireko ffe bakibira tukubire buli kimu tusobola okukimala. Ntuusa omukisa okubabuuzaako nti assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.